I have been following this company Runway for a few months and I believe they are doing some really groundbreaking work in terms of AI. If you visit their website, and I will put the link in video's description, you will see that they have a lot of great tools which are quite innovative. Before I delve into them, let me make a disclaimer. I have no affiliation or link with this company and I don't get paid. This is not a promotion, so I'm not asking you to buy anything from them or do. It is just for educational purposes. You can create your account for free and then try it out for free and just make your own decision if you want to buy something from them or not. Okay. Having said that, one of the things which caught my eye quite recently was the release of the first mobile app for iOS in terms of AI from Runway, which feature its video to video generative AI model Gen 1. So what can happen is that users can record a video from their phones and transform it into an AI video in minutes, or use text prompts, images or style presets to alter the existing videos. So let me show you a few of their tools on their website. As you can see, if I click here or just scroll down, you'll see there are a lot of tools divided into text, images, video, 3D, audio. One of my favorite is this one where you can blur the faces. Let me see where it is. So what you can do is there you go. So blur faces, you can go and blur faces in your video after recording with the help of this tool. So if you are filming in public and you don't want other people to show up, or there are children in the video, you can blur their faces very easily. And there are a lot of them. You can do text to 3D texture, and then you can even modify the existing images, and you can create an animated sequence by the help of frame interpolation. So you can do your own research and then see how it goes. I know that a lot of other companies are also producing and offering the same tooling. Almost all of them are offered by one company or another, but one difference I have found out is that one, the quality is way better and you can do a lot of things with it from the one company. So play with it and let me know in the comments how you go. And if you are keen to find an AI work, I think they also have some jobs going on their career page. So feel free to apply if you feel like it. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.